we have many examples. Okay. I mean, we have been able to drive cost substantially down in many areas. Our innovations comes more in the form of business models. Take for example telecom. I have been saying this for quite some time that the cost per line in telephone business has remained constant or had remained constant for over 30 years of my 48 years of career in telecom. It was always $1,000 a line. And as a result, it took 110 years to get to billion telephones in the world. Then comes mobile telephony. Cost went down from $1,000 to 500 to 200 to 100. And it went below 100. All of a sudden, in 15 years, we added 6 billion more phones in the world. We added almost billion in this part of the world, in India. But we also did it with creative structuring of the business model. So in our country, average revenue per user could be very low, $6 a line, and we can still be profitable. In other parts of the world, if your average revenue per phone is not $30, $50 a line, they can't survive. Similarly, we have been able to reduce cost of heart surgery from $70,000 to $2,000 or $3,000. We have low cost eye surgery. So I think there are many examples in Indian systems where we have been very creative in business models to reduce cost down, because when you address the challenges at the bottom of the economic pyramid, you have to focus on affordability, scalability and sustainability. And I think we are very good at that. We have an example where Dr. Devi Shetty, who has been able to innovate in reducing cost of surgery, is building a hospital in Caribbean just for the American customers. That's a reverse innovation. That's an application of Indian innovations for the US customer. I think more and more of this will happen, and you will see, I believe in the next few years, software products coming out of India, innovative software products which hasn't happened in the past. You will see some innovative hardware products in electronics. I think it will happen. See, diversity is a fertile ground for innovation. India has the most interesting diverse population in the world.